To the Git series. In this video, we are going to learn what is a Git merge concept and how we do a Git merge and how the Git merge is different from the Git rebase. And we'll understand what is the difference between a Git merge and a Git rebase also. Let's jump into the concept. Let's try to understand what is meant by a Git merge. And in the previous video, you know what is a branching mechanism and how to create a branch and how to uh, commit your code into the branch and how you can switch into a different branches. If you don't understand the branching concept, if you don't know, please go to the previous video on the branching mechanism, and if you understand that, then you will be able to get this git merge and git rebase concept very easily. Let's take a master branch, and here we are going to deal with the multiple branches. Assume this is the master branch base, like let's say this is our a master branch, and from this particular branch I'm going to create a feature branch. I'm going to create a multiple feature branches. Let's create a more than one. Let me create multiple feature branches. And when you create a branch from the feature branch, it will be okay. Then assume these are the two branches, the feature branches. Feature 1, this is a feature 2. When you clone a branch from the master branch, when you create a branch from this particular base branch that is called a master branch, you can see the same replica whatever you have in your master branch, that repository, that all branches and history and all the commits will come to this branch, and all the feature will be coming into this particular feature branch too. And now you are making changes on this particular master branch. At the same time, few others are also working on the feature branches. Assume I am working on this master branch and my colleague is working on this feature 1 or feature 2. What you will do, this is my commit. Let me mention, this is my commit on this master branch. And now when these feature branches were created, the master branch was here. After that, there are some changes also happened on the master branch, and this is the commit. At the same time, assume we have feature branches are also updated and the other guys are working on these branches and they do their commits on this branch, and this guy also do his commits on this particular branch, and this is also a commit. Assume this is the commit 1 on the feature branch, this is going to be a commit 2 on this particular feature branch. And now, and this master branch is at this particular position, this you can call it as a tip of the master branch tip, and this is the tip of the feature branch 1, this is the tip of the feature branch 2. Now if you want to merge this commit 1 which is on the feature branch 1 to this master branch, how you can do that? You need to do a merge that goes like this. Let us create, once you merge things, this particular thing will be command merge into this master branch, and once this particular feature branch 1, this commit whatever the new code that you changed here in the feature branch 1 is also available on this particular master branch, so you merged your code. So if you are getting these changes from this branch into the master branch on a new commit, this is called a merge. This is called a merge. In the same way, Again, assume you are making some more changes here. You are going to make changes on the master branch, and now this master branch is at this particular commit. Now if you want to merge this feature branch 2 changes, what you can do, you are going to merge this into the master branch, that is going to be another commit. Okay, now you are going to merge these things from the feature branch 2 to the master branch. Now this is called the tip of the master branch here. This is the tip of the master branch and this is the tip of the feature branch, and once you merge it make another commit, and you can see the feature branch 2 changes are also merged in this particular commit on the master branch. So whatever you are merging, you are not rebasing here, you are actually merging the changes in the feature branch 2 to the master branch on the tip of the master. Okay, see here you are merging the feature branch 1 to the master, and when you are merging this particular feature branch 1 here, your master tip is at this particular location. Your master tip was here and your feature branch 1 tip was here. When you do a merge, it make another commit and brings your feature branch changes into the master branch, and your master branch tip is at this location once after your feature branch merges. And then again you made some changes on the master branch and you are working on the feature branch too, and your master branch tip is at this particular location, and this is the tip of the feature branch, and when you are making a merge it makes another commit, so it is creating another commit to merge this feature branch 2 changes into the master branch. This is the merge concept. So you are merging, you are actually dealing with two branches more than one. Only then you can merge from one particular branch to another branch. Let it be a master or a feature 1 or a feature 2. You need to have two branches. Only then you can apply a merge from one branch to another branch. And how what is a rebase? Let's understand what is a rebase. See, assume the similar concept, slightly different, and I'm going to make the same. This is my master. Assume this is my master and this is my feature branch. This is my feature. I have created this feature branch from the master, and after that you make some changes on this master, and this is the assume this is a commit 1. Let me say this is commit 1, and one more commit you made it here. Assume this is going to be your commit 2, and now you are making some changes on this feature branch, and we have some commits on the feature branch also. At this moment, if you see, this is the tip of the master branch. This is the tip of the master branch, and this is the tip of the feature branch. Now instead of doing a merge, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a rebase. Rebase means whatever you made the changes on this feature branch, this whole thing, whatever I'm going to highlight here from this particular portion, sorry, it is wrong. this particular feature branch and this feature tip, everything will be moved to this particular commit. Instead of merging this into like this is the commit one and you are merging into your master branch. Instead of like this, our image should be, let me show you. This follows in this way. And let me draw completely and then I'll explain you. As we see in this diagram, this is the master and this is going to be a commit one. This is our commit 2 and this particular feature branch is moved to the tip of the master branch. See, this is the feature branch. Now this particular feature branch is moved to the tip of the master and then this feature branch tip will be here. It follows the linearity. It follows a linear. See, instead of merging these changes into the master, here you are following like this. You are merging, and in this rebase, it is following in this way your feature branch starting point, like from where you took the feature branch, that is being moved to the tip of the master branch, and this follows in this way. Instead of merging these two into making another commit, merging these two, instead of that, that is called a merge. And if you are rebasing, your base of this particular feature branch is moved to the tip of the master branch, that is called a rebase. Let me write that. Merge is this one. This is a rebase. If you look at the merge and rebase, until this particular location, making some changes on the master and making some changes on the feature, having some commits, till here the concept is same, but the only difference is in the merge you are bringing all your feature branch changes into the master by doing a merge. In the rebase you are going to change the base of the feature branch. To where you are moving the base of the feature branch? To the tip of the master. This is the tip of the master branch. This is the tip of the master branch, and your feature branch base is moved to the tip of the master from this particular location. See, hope you understand, you are getting this point. This feature branch base is moving to the tip of the master, but how it rebase the feature branches, it makes internally multiple commits. To bring this particular feature branch starting position, the base of the feature branch, to the tip of the master, internally Git makes so many commits, but we will not be doing all of them. If you use rebase having internal commits, it will bring the feature branch base to the tip of the master. And this is the concept of a merge and a rebase. Hope you understand. If you have any questions in this git merge and a git rebase, please feel free to comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video, and we will implement this in the next video. Thank you.